So it's time for another no excuses marketing. I'm at the end of my leg workout. You can see getting it in. But there's a lot of people that's still questioning whether or not LiveGood is a scam or not. So here's the thing, all right? Here are some straight facts about LiveGood, all right? The person that brought me into LiveGood, they are making money. I am making money with LiveGood. There are people on my team that is making money in LiveGood. The products are really good. How do I know? Because I actually take them, right? And as of recording this video, there are over 750,000 members in LiveGood. So if LiveGood is a scam, this is one of the biggest scams ever, all right? But keeping it real, LiveGood is not a scam. Now, whether or not it's for you, only you can decide, all right? If you want to get involved with LiveGood, if you want to promote LiveGood, the products and the opportunity, that's on you, all right? This is a real business opportunity, all right? So if you needed that confirmation to make sure it's not a scam, here it is. Now, if you are ready to get started with LiveGood, we would love to have you on the team. So all you got to do is click that first link in the description, and I will see you on the squad. Now it's time to get back to this work.